Today let's discuss greed in trading, why you must use a stop loss. Let's talk about one of the biggest account killers in trading, greed. It sneaks in quietly and wipes you out fast. But there's a simple tool that can protect you every time, the stop loss. In this video, we're unpacking how greed affects your trading, and how using stop losses could save your entire trading career. Let's dive in. Greed is the emotion that says, just a little more. You enter a trade, it's going well. You're up $50, then $100. But instead of taking profit, you say, I'll close it at $200. The market reverses, and before you know it, that winning trade turns into a loss, or worse, you're down, but you refuse to close the trade, thinking, it'll come back. That's not a strategy. That's hope, and hope is not a trading plan. Greed clouds your judgment. It makes you ignore your rules. And that's dangerous. Let's break down how greed destroys traders. 1. Overtrading. You chase every opportunity, thinking more trades equals more money. Wrong. 2. Ignoring your plan, you set targets and risk limits. But greed says, break the rules just this once. 3. Revenge trading. You lose money, get emotional, and jump into random trades trying to recover. That's greed disguising itself as confidence. This isn't just bad trading, it's gambling. And that's how people blow their accounts. This is where the stop loss becomes your best friend. A stop loss is a preset price that automatically closes your trade when the market moves against you by a certain amount. It's your seatbelt in a crash. Example, let's say you buy euro to US dollar at 1.1000. You set a stop loss at 1.0950. If the price drops to 1.0950, your trade closes automatically, limiting your loss to 50 pips. Think of it this way, you can't control the market, but you can control your losses. So why do so many beginners avoid using stop losses? Some think it will hit the stop and reverse, others say, I'll just watch it and close it manually, or worse, I don't need a stop loss. I trust my setup. Here's the truth, no one wins 100% of the time. Not even pro traders. What separates the winners from the losers is how they manage the losses, not how often they win. Without a stop loss, one bad trade can erase 10 good ones. Greed tells you to hold on for more profit. Discipline tells you to protect your capital. Want to grow consistently? Follow these 3 golden rules. 1. Always use a stop loss. Even if it's wide, it should be there. 2. Never move your stop loss farther once you're in a losing position. 3. Set your risk per trade, and stick to it. Pro traders risk 1 to 2% of their capital. That's it. When you combine stop losses with solid risk management, you become unshakable. And you stop fearing the market. Greed is emotional. Stop losses are mechanical. If you want to trade like a pro, you've got to stop thinking emotionally and start acting systematically. Protect your account. Respect your plan. And always use a stop loss. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more smart trading content, and let me know in the comments, have you ever blown a trade because of greed? Be honest. We've all been there. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel.